Hello friends, are you trying to connect your laptop to your Wi-Fi, or you've tried to connect it to the already existing Wi-Fi, but you cannot, and you've tried like to install the drivers or to search on the web, but nothing is really happening. So there are a lot of things that you can do, but in this video I just want to share with you. So as you can see here, my Wi-Fi is off, it's not working, and when I come on this bottom corner, when I press on my Wi-Fi and I try to open it, so this is what keeps on happening. So I cannot turn it on, it's not working, it's not turning on, and I cannot connect to any network. So there are a lot of that you can do a diagnostic on your laptop to find out the problem. Sometimes it's the hardware issue, sometimes it's the software issue. Like in my case, I tried to load um, another another operating system in this my USB or my SSD hard drive, which I got, and nothing still happened because I felt when I tried to change the system, then I will recover the drive, they had the software for my Wi-Fi. But in this case, I feel what you need to do if you have a laptop like this, like for me, I'm using a Dell or any other model. It's very important to check for some external buttons. Some of them will appear here on top, but for this case, we have a button here. So this button here is the Wi-Fi button. So I accidentally switched it on off last time. That's when I realized that I wasn't able to connect to my Wi-Fi. But when I just turn this button back on and I go to my Wi-Fi and I turn this on, you see that it has opened, and now I can connect to any Wi-Fi that I need. So that's how you solve this problem. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.